Hi, everyone. Jonathan Russell here, President of Partners Construction. Today I'm with Patrick, our project manager, and we're going to discuss setting up the project for success. So, you as a client have selected us to be your general contractor, and we're thrilled, we're excited, but we're just getting started. So, we need to talk about next steps. So, what is that? First, we need to talk about permitting. Oftentimes we get asked, do you handle the permit? Do we handle the permit? Does the architect handle the permit? Well, we handle the permit process for you. We submit the permit. We manage the reviews from the city jurisdictions. We ensure that they have everything that they need regarding Florida product approvals, any comments that come from us from the city, county, or wherever that comes from. We handle all of that. We monitor and track it so we know what's been approved, what still is in review, so we can prep ourselves to get started with construction. While the permit process is going on, which does take some time depending on how busy the city is, how busy that jurisdiction is. Obviously, we've seen a lot of growth in Florida, so some of the jurisdictions take a little bit longer than normal to go through their review process. It doesn't mean that we can't get started doing other things. So, Patrick, when we talk about setting up the project, getting subcontractors on board, getting Procore set up, talk a little bit about that.
Right. So the project will be created in Procore. Project will be started in Procore. We'll reach out to subcontractors, issue subcontracts. We'll get their invoice contacts, and from there, the invoice contact can create a good schedule of values for the project for the subcontract. We will also request certificates of insurance, W-9s, along with getting a submittal package for any material that needs to be ordered, shop drawings, product information, and we will turn that over to the architect team, design team, to then do a review and approve all the shop drawings submittal package that are in process.
That's a great point. It's so critical to get those things in the system ready to go. We don't want any holdups. Clients want to know when we're starting and when we're finishing. We get the submittals in, we get the shop drawings in, we get the material selections verified. We start working on that process early. Even though we don't have a permit, we can get moving on those things because that leads us into our project schedule. We can't make a project schedule if we don't know material lead times, if we don't know how long our doors are going to take, if we haven't verified certain selections, that will affect our project schedule. And we can't manage and or meet your expectations if we can't give you an accurate schedule. So again, we can get moving on a lot of things, but the setting the project up for success early is so critical for having a smooth, wonderful construction project